and it's Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this short YouTube tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can make any image transparent. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and make sure that you have Flash enabled on your browser. So if it's using Chrome or you're using Opera or whatever one, you need to make sure you have in the Flash player for it to work. So let's just say that you've done that. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser. The next thing you want to do is in the address bar at the top you want to type in this address, www.pixlr.com. You then want to select where it says open pixel editor, click on that. You just have to enable the Flash player. Then once you've done that, you'll come to this page and it'll give you three options: create an image, open an image from the computer, or open an image from URL. We're going to do the second option here, open image from computer, so we select that. And then it's going to give us a choice from where we want to find the image. So I'm just going to go with this one. And here's the image that we want to work on. Make it slightly bigger so we can see a little bit bigger here. And then the next thing you want to do is to be able to work on the image, you need to go on the right hand side and where it says layers, a little panel up, you need to double click it to unlock the layers. Then what you want to do is go to this tool, the one tool, then select what you want made transparent by just selecting it, and it will make that bit that you selected transparent. So that's what we've done. Oh, I'm going to leave that bit so it's white or not white on white, so it's easy to see. So I'm happy with that. So that's done. So now what we want to do is click on, we want to save this image now, so we want to click on File, click on the Save button, and then here it's going to give us an option to name it. So I will name it, add a little bit, that P, and then it gives us an option to what format we want: JPEG, PNG, BMP, TIFF, and PXD. We're just going to stick with that one at the moment, doesn't matter. And it tells us the size of the file. Click OK. Then we'll wait a second and then say, are we okay with the name that we're giving it? I'll say okay, fine. And there we can see that the image was made transparent, the one we had there. You can see the image was made transparent. And that is how you make an image transparent. I hope this video was helpful and useful. If it was, please leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos on Wednesdays.